Hello guys, so today we're gonna unbox the LS2 ff397 Vector helmet. So I ordered this from eBay. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, the first boxing and packaging is pretty good. Here we have the LS2 box inside this cardboard box. Let's see if we can take this out. Yes. It had thermocol inside so that it doesn't get damaged. Nice touch. So now, the helmet itself. So it comes in a nice bag, helmet carrying bag. It looks pretty good. Let's take this out nice and slow. We have this Folk Fighter System visor inside. Let's keep this aside for a moment. Nice packaging. So far so good. This cable is tied. Okay, so inside the bag the helmet was also wrapped in another plastic packaging so that it doesn't get scratched. Let's take this out nice and slow. And damn, does it look good. As you can see, it's a matte finished helmet, so it's pretty nice finish. And the graphics, this match perfectly with my 2017 Canadian Duke 290. And damn, does it look good. So I ordered an L size. As you can see, it's an ECE 22.05 rated. It's a 1300 gram helmet. It has an exterior vent that you can open and close. So that's going to make it pretty silent. This vent can also be opened and closed according to it. The chin vent can also be opened and closed. Pretty nice. I have something there. Yep, the visor is pretty smooth. And this is the secondary visor. That's the sun visor. It's a cable actuated one, so that if you ride in dirt, you're not gonna spoil the spring inside. And that's a pretty nice touch. Pretty nice touch. The buckle is a quick release buckle, as you can see here. It's a quick release mechanism, but this is a metal one. This one here, right here, is metal. We have LS2 starter guide. These inner cheek pads are pretty nice. Emergency release tabs. Here, emergency release tabs. Neck roll and chin cotton. All in all, I wanted a pretty silent helmet, which can also flow air when I want. Now, this is the Folk Fighter System visor, which I'm going to make a separate video. This helps in fogging that we experience while we ride. You can put the Folk Fighter System visor right here. see. Is there anything inside? No. That's it. So this is all for the unboxing and hands-on video on the LS2 ff397 vector helmet. This graphics is pretty nice, and I'm going to leave a link below if you want to purchase. I'm not sure if you're going to get this one, but I'm going to leave links for almost everyone that's available on eBay. This one costed me about 9,850 rupees, which is cheap as compared to other websites like Flipkart and Amazon. So I'm going to put a link. Okay, that's it. Thank you.